So before you start trading futures for the New York session, there's some major key levels that you need to be paying attention to right before the market opens. And here's what they are. When we go into our chart, the first levels that you really want to be paying attention to are the previous high of day and the previous low of day. So all you have to do is just go to a day chart on any future that you would like. Right now we're doing NQ. And on the day chart, we just go to the previous day. Today is September 16th. So the previous day would be Monday, September 15th. So all you have to do is just mark the high and low of this previous day. So we just marked the previous high of day, right? And then the same thing that we're going to do is we're going to mark the previous low of day. So those are the first two levels that you want to be paying attention to. The next key levels that you want to be paying attention to are the post-market sessions for the Asia and the London trading sessions. So the Asia trading session is from 8 p.m. to 12 a.m., right? And the London trading session is from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. So all we want to do is mark the highs and lows for each of these sessions. So between 8 p.m. and midnight, this was our low right over here. And we'll mark this as our Asia low, right, which was around 8:30, and before 12 p.m. or midnight, this was our high. So we'll mark here as our Asia high. So for the high between 2 a.m. and 5 a.m., we have our London high right over here, and we'll mark this London high, which was around 4:45. For our low, it looks like this was our London low, which was around 3:10 a.m. Well, we mark these sessions because these are areas that price is more than likely going to visit during the AM or PM New York trading session, right, as areas of liquidity. So for example, if NQ were to keep dropping and we weren't able to revisit our London high, right, we could see our, price drop to our Asia high, which is right over here, right? We could see price drop to our London low, right? Or we could see price continue to drop to our Asia low, right? But what would happen if it dropped past our Asia low? We don't know where our next area of support would be, so we can estimate based on our previous levels. For example, we still have our previous high of day that we could drop to, right? And we also still have our previous low of day that we could drop to. So we only mark these areas because we're trying to estimate where price could go up or down based on areas of liquidity.